Be honest. The moment it gets quiet, you reach for something. Your phone, music, noise. Silence makes you uneasy, and that discomfort tells the truth. If you can't sit in silence, you're not busy, you're weak. Silence isn't empty, it's demanding. It forces you to face your thoughts, your excuses, your unfinished work. That's why most people avoid it. But strength is built where others escape. Habit 1. Remove noise on purpose. You fill every gap with sound, background noise, constant input. Solution: create one silent block daily. No music, no videos, no phone. Silence exposes weakness, and that's how you train it away. Habit 2. Sit still without escaping. You can't sit still. Your body wants movement. Your mind wants distraction. Solution: sit. Do nothing. 5 minutes, then 10. No shifting, no checking. Control starts with stillness. Habit 3. Think instead of consuming. You consume to avoid thinking. Other people's opinions, other people's lives. Solution: use silence to think, plan, reflect, decide. Thinking is uncomfortable, that's why it works. Habit 4. Do hard work without stimulation. You've trained yourself to work only with noise. That's weakness. Solution: work in silence. No music, no background sound. Just you and the task. Focus grows when there's nothing to hide behind. Habit 5. End your day in silence. You escape silence at night, too, scrolling until you're numb. Solution: end the day quietly. No phone, no noise. Let your mind settle. Silence builds mental strength while you sleep. Silence isn't punishment, it's training. If you can sit with your thoughts, you can control your actions. If you control your actions, you control your life. Cut the noise. Face yourself. No noise, only discipline.